You want your child to learn piano, but there's just one problem. You don't play a single note. Sound familiar? The truth is, you don't need to be a piano player to be an incredible support in your child's musical journey. In fact, your role isn't to teach piano. It's to be their coach, their encourager, motivator, and biggest fan. Hi, everyone. My name is Miss Diana, and I make learning piano fun and stress-free here at the Dynamic Piano Studio. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to confidently guide your child through piano at home without needing to know how to play. Plus, I'll give you 3 powerful ways to coach your young musicians towards consistency, confidence, and joy. Let's take the pressure off right now. Your job isn't to teach notes, scales, or music theory. That's what the course is for. Your job is to be your child's piano coach. Think about a soccer coach. They don't have to be playing in the game, but they're there to guide, cheer, and correct when needed. That's your role too. You don't need to sit beside your child at every practice. You don't even need to know how to read music, but you can absolutely help them stay consistent, cheer them on, and remind them that progress takes time. In fact, most kids thrive when their parent acts more like a coach, offering gentle accountability instead of feeling like another teacher. Let's get into the practical side. Here are 3 easy and powerful ways to coach your child through piano at home, even if you've never touched a piano before. Number 1, celebrate effort, not just accuracy. So often we're tempted to say, oops, that wasn't right, but your child is still building a relationship with the piano as a beginning student. And what they need most is your encouragement to keep trying. Try saying things like, I noticed how focused you were. You kept trying even when that part was tricky. I loved how you played that piece with feeling. This reinforces that it's not about being perfect, it's about progress, and it's about showing up. Number 2 is to keep it visible and routine. Kids are more likely to practice when the piano is in a visible, inviting spot where the area is frequented often, not hidden in a cold basement or back room or even back in their room. Even better, try connecting piano to another routine they already do, like after breakfast, a song after math, before screen time, before quiet time, headphones and a play along session. And remember, 10 minutes is great. 3 focused run-throughs of a song can be more powerful than 1 long sit-down practice session. As James Clear mentions in his book, Atomic Habits, you could also try habit stacking. Try connecting piano to another routine that they already do, like playing right after breakfast, 1 song before math, or even before screen time, 3 songs and then they play. Or during quiet time, they could put on headphones and have a play along session. And remember, 10 minutes is great frequently throughout the week than 1 day of focused time for an hour plus. Those short bursts of practice time will build that consistency and actually help them to retain the music even better. Tip number 3 is to be the performance audience. Your child needs low pressure performance moments to build confidence. You can help by simply watching. No critique, just celebration. Have them play for you once a week or send a video to grandma. Maybe even film a piano star of the week moment and let them share it. The key is the more they share their music, the more proud and motivated they become. And you get to be the one who helps make that happen. Everything your child needs to learn piano is already built into my beginner piano course for kids. I break down each concept step by step, and your child can play along with me through every lesson. So your role becomes the cheerleader, the coach, the one who says, hey, let's do your next lesson today. Or wow, I can't believe how much better that song sounds this week. You're the encourager, not the educator. And that's more than enough. If this video gave you a little boost of confidence, I'd love to support you even further. Here on this channel this month, I'll be providing you with the first 4 lessons broken down into smaller, digestible chunks throughout the month to have your beginner playing piano right now, so your child can start learning this week. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss those Friday lesson drops. And when you're ready for the full experience with over 30 video lessons, printables, and me playing alongside your child every step of the way, visit dynamicpianostudio.com/self-paced. You've got this. You don't need to be a musician, just a faithful coach who shows up with love and encouragement. And that, my friend, is what makes all the difference.